In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean up and enhance your audio in BandLab. By the end, you'll know how to remove background noise, tighten up pitch, and shape your sound with EQ so your project feels polished and professional. First, head to BandLab and log in. Once you're in, go straight to your library. This is where all your projects live. Find the project you want to improve and open it. When the project loads, click on Studio to enter the full editing and mixing workspace. This is where you'll make all your sound adjustments. Inside Studio, select the track you want to work on. That might be a vocal, a guitar recording, or any audio track that needs cleaning. Click on the specific track so it's highlighted. Then right-click to bring up the context menu and choose Denoise. Denoise is designed to reduce constant background sounds like hum, hiss, or room noise while keeping the character of your performance. As you apply it, aim for a natural result. If you push noise reduction too hard, you may hear the audio start to sound thin or watery. Subtlety is your friend here. Reduce the noise until it's no longer distracting, but keep the life in the recording. With the track still selected, use auto pitch as well. Auto pitch helps correct small pitch inconsistencies and gives vocals a more confident, in-tune feel without making them sound robotic when used lightly. Think of it as a safety net that keeps notes centered. Keep the correction gentle so the performance still feels human and expressive. To take things a step further, you can also add effects such as EQ. An EQ lets you shape tone by reducing muddiness and enhancing clarity. For many vocals, rolling off unnecessary low rumble can clean up the bottom end. A gentle presence boost can add intelligibility, and a small cut in any harsh region can keep things smooth. For guitars or other instruments, EQ can help each part sit in its own space so the mix doesn't feel crowded. Make changes with your ears, not your eyes, and aim for balance rather than extremes. As you work, listen on reliable headphones or speakers, and take brief breaks so you can come back with fresh perspective. Small, thoughtful adjustments almost always beat heavy-handed processing. And remember, you can revisit any of these settings later as your project evolves. That's it. Go to your library, open your project, click Studio, select your track, right-click for Denoise, use Auto Pitch, and enhance with EQ. Follow these steps and your BandLab tracks will sound cleaner, clearer, and more professional.